Hello traders, today is Monday the 31st of July. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Guys, today we won't be looking at the recap because obviously Friday I was off, so we have nothing to recap. Yeah, that would be strange. So what we're going to do today, guys, is just get straight into today's trades for Monday the 31st of July. I'm back. I'm excited to get started. So let's just start with the trades. All right, so what we're looking at today is this. So generally speaking, guys, we are looking at this. We are looking at US dollar strength, and we are looking at Japanese yen weakness. So that is a very general overview of the market, but this is really standing out for me from Friday. US dollar strength, yen weakness. So it won't surprise you that one of my trade ideas today will be to buy US dollar Japanese yen. But guys, I wanted to start with this, okay? So euro US dollar. So if we think about, you know, what I just said, I was talking about US dollar strength, and you can see that, guys, yeah? We are, you know, breaking down, okay? Well, you know, technically in a downtrend, we're starting to get lower lows, lower highs, all right? So you'd be thinking, okay, Tom, let's short this, yeah? But this is why we must look at multiple time frames. So to get my direction for the day, I look at daily, which is what this is. This is the daily chart of the euro US dollar. All right. But I also look at the weekly chart, and the weekly chart, that is telling me a completely different picture. That is telling me that we are at a beautiful area to potentially start buying. Okay. So if I get this conflict between daily and weekly, guys, I stay out. Yeah. So there's real conflict here. This weekly is telling me to buy, you know, in an uptrend, nice area of value, you know, let's buy this. If we go back to the day chart, you know, nothing is telling me to buy that. Yeah. Like I said, if anything, we're breaking down. So although I am looking at US dollar strength, euro US dollar isn't one of them for those reasons. And I just want you to be careful of that, guys. Yeah, the day chart might paint one picture, but take a look at the weekly chart. Yeah, just to check that's not painting a different picture. All right. So yeah, let's get tucked into today's trades. And also, like I said, guys, yen weakness. So pretty much we can trade any yen pair. All right, let's just take a look at one. All right, I'm not going to go through them all. Okay, but pound yen. And you remember, guys, this is the day chart. And I talk to you all the time about value. And you're probably like, Christ, Tom, shut up. All you talk about is value. But look how this market came all the way down to here before it found value. Yeah, you know, it wanted to find value, guys. Okay, let's look at a different example. New Zealand yen. Okay, let's take a look at this. You know, the market wanted to find value. Was it here? Was it here? No, it wasn't. Was it down here? Yes, it was. You know, it wanted to find value. As it stands, we are seeing yen weakness, but a lot of these yen pairs are in a downtrend. Yeah, if we look at New Zealand yen, you know, this is in a downtrend. It's broken these lows. Okay, but if we look at the weekly chart, it's a clear buy. Yeah, look at that weekly chart, and look how this weekly chart wanted to come down and find that moving average 20. So a lot of you guys ask me, why do you use the moving average 20? Exactly that. It is dynamic support, and it's a great area of value. Look how that has pinged off that level. Okay, so, you know, yen pairs I am looking at, and I'm looking to buy them. New Zealand yen, pound yen, whatever it may be, euro yen, you know, literally any of them. But it's a weekly play. Yeah, this is a weekly play. Yeah, if we look at the weekly chart, this low has still held. Again, just wanted to find value, and this has come back up now. But if we look at the day chart, it is, don't matter how bullish this candle is, yeah, this market is still in a downtrend. We got lower lows, not lower highs, but, so although, I would look to buy this, retrace and then buy, it is against daily trend. We must be aware of this, guys. Okay, but the one I do like out of all the yen pairs, and no surprises, is US dollar yen. As I said at the start, guys, this is going to be my first trade idea. All right, so it's no surprise because I was saying US dollar weakness and, US dollar strength and yen weakness. So this US dollar yen trade makes sense, yeah? And if we go back to the weekly chart, again, it has just pinged off of this level. We love this level through here, okay? All right, and as you can see, if we zoom in, yeah, we had this candle. Remember, we've been buying from down here, guys. And then look at this wick as well. Total rejection of this level. Buyers have taken control. Okay, so if we go down to the day chart now, this is my first trade idea, US dollar Japanese yen. And this area here would be my first target to take price, back up to these highs. Okay, so we've got a little bit of room to move into. Arguably we were in a downtrend, but now we're finding higher lows. Yeah, we're seeing higher lows. Yeah, if I drew a channel here, we're seeing this kind of thing happen. Okay, so US dollar Japanese yen, and obviously we've got this very bullish candle that formed. So we're looking to buy this pair. If we drop down to the H4, it's a bit of a H4 like a lot of these trades today. So what do I want to see? I want to see a retrace down to this gray zone, guys. All right, you can see price has reacted historically at this gray zone, and I just want to see a bullish reaction at this level, and then we can start buying. I would probably take some profit here, take 80%, 70%, 60%, take some profit, and then let some profit run. Even let it run further back up to those weekly highs. All right, it could retrace back down to these lows, but I don't expect it to because we've had such a bullish reaction. All right, so this level here is the level I like. It could just break through this level. And then you could also start buying it, but there's no value here. Here, at this point, there's value. All right, so US dollar Japanese yen, that is my first trade idea for today. Also, and these are highly inversely correlated, we're also looking at gold. So if US dollar yen is going up, then gold is coming down. They are inversely correlated. So you're pretty much the same trade, guys. So trade the one that gives you the best setup. But again, if we look at the weekly chart here, all right, we pinpointed this level here earlier. But for me, gold on the weekly chart, has broken down. It's broken these lows, even these lows. And as long as these highs here stay intact, we're still in a downtrend. All right. If we drop down to the day chart now, what I like about this is also the daily chart has broken down. So if we think about structure, price is coming up. Doesn't create a higher high. Wave your red flags in the air. If you're not getting higher highs on an uptrend and we get a very bearish reaction at those last highs, then structure could be changing. And then sure enough, look at this candle. At those last highs, we get this reaction. And it's broken this low and even this low by literally a pip or something. So we're now in a downtrend. Yeah, we've got lower lows, yeah, lower lows, yeah, and we're not making new highs on the uptrend. So we're looking to short this pair, guys, down to this blue line, which is this last low, or even this blue line here. If we drop down to the H4 now, again, it's a bit of a H4 play. And we are already at the area that I like. Yeah, so on the H4 chart, you can see we thought, right, price is building up, hit this level and just came crashing down, breaking all of these lows, and the H4 is in a downtrend. So we're looking for a breakdown in structure. We look for a retrace. This gives me value. And then I look for a bearish reaction to take price lower. That is pretty much, yeah, there's a few other things, but it's pretty much my strategy in a nutshell, guys, all right? Breakdown in structure, nice retrace to value and a support and resistance zone, yeah, and then we look to sell. Okay, so that's all I'm looking to do, guys. Yeah, I want to see a bearish reaction in here. You'll also see we got the moving average 20 coming round as well. So I really like this grey zone. Again, you know, it could push up back up to this level and we get a bearish reaction and then we take price lower. But again, because this is so bearish, I don't expect it to retrace all the way back to here, but it could. Yeah, but either or, guys, bearish reaction, start selling. Okay, so that's gold. What else am I looking at, guys? So I'm also looking at this trade. All right, guys, and before I show you my next trade idea, if you're enjoying my morning analysis, if I could ask you to firstly come and join the channel. Yeah, everyone subscribe to the channel right now. Greatly appreciated. Also smash that notification button, guys, and then you'll get an alert when my vids come out. And also, guys, everyone who's listening, please smash the like button right now. It really helps support the channel. Thank you very much. And while I'm at it, guys, let me just mention a few cool things that we do on the channel. So first of all, we've got a free Discord channel. It is free, and we've got traders in there sharing their ideas, knowledge. We've got indicators, psychology. We've got loads of cool things, guys. So come join the free Discord channel. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we have the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. So you can ask me questions throughout the day if you're not sure about anything. I also give you my trade ideas as and when they happen, along with 2 other expert traders who share their ideas. I give you exclusive content every week. Yeah, and you also get access to a performance coach should you need it. All right, so if you're interested in the VIP Discord, the link is in the video description. What else do we do, guys? We also do a mentorship program. So if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And we also do Simply Forex YouTube membership now. So if you would like to show your appreciation and support of the channel, then you can join the channel. Yeah, become a member. It starts from as little as under $2 a month, and you get some really cool perks, guys. And finally, don't forget the live stream today and every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST. Come join us for that. Get your questions ready. Right, let's carry on. So the next trade idea is this. It is euro against the New Zealand dollar. Okay, so yeah, we can clearly see we're in an uptrend, guys. Yeah, and now we've got a real bullish reaction. So we got higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Okay. Also, yeah, we've got a bit of a support level here that we thought potentially was breaking, but it just kept holding at this moving average 20 level. Okay. And we've got this bullish candle, bullish daily candle. So the idea is just to take price back up to here. You know, if not, even back up to these highs here, we could. So we're looking to buy this pair. And again, let's drop down to the H4 because they're all really H4 plays, to be honest. Okay, so as you can see on the H4, guys, we just broke structure. We broke these highs here, okay, with this candle here. Right. And as soon as we saw this H4 break, yeah, it's given us the impetus to buy this pair. And all I want to see, guys, is a retrace into this grey zone. Yeah, perhaps the moving average 20 comes round as well. It could be a really nice area to buy. I want to see a bullish reaction. I then enter. Yeah, we can take price back up to here or even here, guys. All right. And when I say bullish reaction, I want to see a candle. It doesn't matter what the candle is called, but I want to see a candle that tells me buyers have taken control of the market. I usually look for this on the H1, and then I put my trade idea in the VIP Discord, or it could also be a H4 candle, or both. All right, Euro New Zealand buy. And the final trade that we're looking at today is this, is Aussie dollar Swiss franc short. If we look at the day chart, guys, yeah, you can see we are clearly in a downtrend. Okay. Clearly. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that is in a downtrend. And, yeah, not only that, we got a candle on Friday, yeah, that broke these lows here. Okay, so that's a continuation of trend. And the idea is just to continue price back down to this 5,750 psychological level. If we drop down to the H4, again, it's a H4 play. I really like this level. Yeah, if price retraces, it might have already made its move, guys. It has retraced here already. It might just continue down. If it does, no problem. Yeah, no FOMO. We let the trade go. We don't jump in on it. But if we get a retrace back into this grey zone, and again, maybe the moving average 20 comes down, this could be a really nice area to short this market. And I just want to see a bearish reaction and start selling this market. Okay, guys, so those are all my trade ideas for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please smash the like button. And don't forget all the cool things we do as well, guys. Yeah, free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel, mentorship program, Simply Forex membership, and the live streams every day. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, let's take a look at the news now. News for Monday, the 31st of July. So, overnight, guys, we have got some manufacturing PMI coming out of China. So this could potentially affect Aussie dollar, who has close trading relations with China. So must be aware of that. If we carry on down, guys, we have got some big news today, all right? So you can see at 10 o'clock, London GMT, we have got the CPI figure for the euro. So obviously, guys, this is going to move the markets, yeah? I don't need to keep telling you how important inflation is. Your wallets probably also, realize this. And at the same time, guys, we've also got the GDP figures. So this CPI and GDP at the same time is really going to move the euro. So must be aware of this, guys. And if we carry on down, as you can see, no other news that we're interested in. So just this euro news for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the vid, guys. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. I hope you have a great trading day, and I'll see you later on for the live stream.